Ooh, I just worked out, so I'm sweaty. Ooh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're gonna be making fried green tomatoes with a bacon marmalade. Let's get started. So we're starting off with green tomatoes. Slice them the same size so your tomatoes cook evenly. And then I'm gonna salt them just like I did with my fried fish because I wanna draw out any moisture. Now we're gonna take 1/3 cup and I'm gonna put some oil in the pan. Now we're gonna make our bacon marmalade. I'm taking a cup of coconut bacon. For the coconut bacon, this is an oldie but goodie recipe. If you guys don't know how to make it, I will leave the recipe in the description box down below, along with the video link from my channel. We're now going to take a cup of onions, and then I decided that there was only a little bit of onions left in my Tupperware, so a little bit over a cup of onions. Yep, yeah, I added the whole thing, like, yeah, maybe another tablespoon. Mix that on in there. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup, and we're going to get some fresh garlic. We're also going to take some Earth Balance butter or any vegan butter of your choosing and add another 1/4 cup to our pan. Stir, stir, stir. Now taking 1/3 cup, we're going to add in some brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and just a little dash of cayenne pepper. Now we're gonna take a half a teaspoon of thyme. Add that in there. Now turn your stove to low and let it sit. I'm preparing the oil to fry our fried green tomatoes in. I have about a cup of water, some panko breadcrumbs, and I think I put a little bit too much Lowry's in here, and you'll see later why I said that. There's already some fish fry in my pan. I'm gonna add in some cornmeal, some garlic and onion powder to really season it up. Now I'm taking my fried green tomatoes and squeezing out the excess salt that we put on earlier to get all the water out. I'm putting salt and pepper on my panko breadcrumbs, another step that I'm not so sure about. You'll see why. Okay, y'all, so it's been a full 10 minutes, so I went ahead and turned our bacon jam off. Ooh, okay. She is thick, but not sticking to the pan, so it's still sliding. Okay. Smells, that hurt. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and then that should be done. I don't know, never had it. We just hoping right now, okay? And then let's see if our oil is ready. Okay, yeah! I see a little sizzle. But that still could trick me, I don't know. So I got a little apple cider vinegar here and 1 tablespoon. So let's add this too. Am I looking at myself? I am. Wow. Oh, it didn't mess up the smell. I had to add 2 tablespoons. I was looking like everybody adding vinegar. All right, we're gonna let that sit until I'm ready to process it, but I am gonna leave it with the top off so it can cool down because we don't want hot jam. I'm looking at myself again. Mix this flour and cornmeal up. All right, let's see if our egg-free tomato batter works just like the fish fry. So we're gonna take it from here. Oh, that already covered really well. Okay, back here, and then finally in our seasoned breadcrumbs. This is egg free. Will it stick? Oh my gosh. Okay, the panko breadcrumbs are not sticking. Okay, let's do one more dip here. Now let's see if it sticks. Cause I do my fish fry completely without eggs, so I'm just, you know, trying to do the same method to save y'all some time and have to look for an egg substitute. Even though hopefully just egg. Oh look, that covered, y'all. Covered with seasoned water. Can y'all see that? I mean, you ain't looking at nothing else. Put it in there. Woo! While that's frying, let's go ahead and do another one. It shouldn't take long to fry. Oh, that looks so crispy. What are you saying to me right now? It's popping! I mean, this one should be done. I'm pretty sure it's time for this one to flip. It only takes a second. Okay. Let me see if the other side has a golden brown to it. It does. I'm gonna still give it 30 more seconds because I want that crunch guaranteed. Okay? Guaranteed crunch. Okay. Boom. Oh, look at that. This is hot. I should not be holding it. It's really hot. Yeah. Y'all know I hate frying. I hate it. Okay. I knew it would feel hot. It was. That's so good. It's a little salty. Oh, it's a little salty. So maybe don't salt the panko breadcrumbs because we use the seasoned salt in the actual, like the tomatoes are soaking in seasoned salt. So don't put any salt in the panko. It doesn't need it because it's a little salty. Y'all hear that crunch? Why am I burning my mouth? But do y'all hear that crunch with no egg batter? I don't think y'all understand. You don't even need it. Okay, let me stop eating and burning my mouth. That's ridiculous. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and fry up the rest of these, and then we should be ready for our bacon marmalade to see if it's good. We gotta see. So here I am just taking our cooled down bacon marmalade, and I'm sticking it in the food processor and giving it a few rough chops. All right, so let me try. I already plated it up real cute, but I have not tried the bacon marmalade. That I would want to put this in the fridge for a couple hours. Y'all see how I'm about to do it? Ah, right there, boom. So I want it all to be kind of jelly-like, so I will put this in the fridge. I'll let you guys know, because this video is not going up tonight, how it is tomorrow when I put it in the fridge, okay? So let's do a little... Oh, I'm gonna do a whole sandwich for y'all, but it's good. Don't get it twisted. This is real good. I'm gonna do a whole sandwich for y'all and try that too. Be right back. Okay, y'all, you know her, and we are social distancing apart. This is Anika. Yes, I had to call her over here because she live up the street, honey. So I was like, you want some fried green tomatoes? She was like, are you using me or just for a video? Both. Cool down. That's still crunchy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's still so salty, but boy, I tell you, you had a dip. All right. So y'all saw me when I made this sandwich. I took the tomato off. I was like, do fresh tomatoes go on a fried green tomato sandwich? I don't know. Somebody out there gonna be like, do I have a tomato here? I want a fresh tomato on mine for texture. I'm gonna try it. I like it too. I love me a fresh tomato. All right, here we go.
Something sweet.
It is. It's something sweet.
It's good, but something just sweet.
So you don't like sweet with the fried?
No, it's fine. It counteracts the salty that was on the tomato.
I'm gonna try with tomato on here.
See, that's why somebody would want a sweet tomato. Sweet tomato. Fresh tomato. See?
Oh yeah, I love with the fresh tomato. I know. It's a tomato on top of tomato. I love it. I need that freshness of another little layer.
But the lettuce not gonna give it to you.
It don't give it to you. The lettuce just really there for maybe some more crunch. It definitely gives it a look. And again, tomato salty, so it also counteracts.
Yeah. That's why I said the sweetness don't bother me, because it's good.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I guess I will pick up the camera again tomorrow to show you guys what it looks like after I put the bacon marmalade in the fridge. And I might, another video, I make y'all the aioli, because I do love aioli, so make this. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, and I have to try it with an aioli. I know I said I ain't studying y'all, and I'm not making one, but I am. Just using just mayo. You can make homemade. I have a video on the channel. You already know. Just gonna make a little bit, not measuring. Oh, look at that. See? Trying to go too fast. Boom. That's about what? Maybe a 1/4 cup of mayo. And I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon juice in here. Boom. My seed just came out. Mix that all together. And then let me wash my hands. Do some garlic. That's about a teaspoon of garlic and some pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm talking about a dash. That's it. Yeah, aioli is this simple, y'all. Y'all thought it was something, y'all thought it was hard? No, it's this simple. I just didn't feel like making it yesterday. I was being so lazy. And really, I forgot I had this because I wasn't about to make mayo. That's really the main thing. All right, let's give this another taste. So good. Done. Love it. And here is the bacon jam from yesterday. Okay, so it it did solidify more. Let me get another spoon and see. Oh yeah, that's way, wow. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. I mean, no drip. That is thick. So I'm gonna try it on another sandwich, but just with regular tomatoes. I'm definitely not about to fry again. But wow, yeah, look at that. So refrigerate. Refrigerate your jam. Yes, yes. I know I like a little boy. I just braided my hair, y'all. It's still wet. I'll be cute with makeup on, and once this dries and gets like more full. Right now it's just, you know, lifeless or whatever. But right now, yes, I'm straight out the pen. It's really spreading like jam. Boom, got the aioli on that side. I'm trying to put it, that makes more sense, put this on top of this. Ooh. Aioli and tomato jam together. I feel like it's gonna be fire with the fried green tomatoes too, but this is regular tomatoes. Okay. I thought yesterday was fire. I don't know, I haven't edited the video yet to see Anika's face, but this is delicious because it's giving you another layer of, sorry, the dishwasher being real rude. It's giving you another layer of flavor. So the aioli with the bacon jam, if you don't want it all sweet. Okay, I'm making a mess. Oh my God, this is so good, y'all. Flavors have marinated. Okay. I'm gone. Don't look at my house. I'm busy. All right, bye y'all. I'll see y'all next time, okay?
Y'all be safe.
Yes.
Don't be at them clubs.
Yeah.
Don't be at them beaches. Coronavirus is there.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.